Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can link internally between your sheets and tabs in Google Sheets. So let us get started. So head over to your document. I will go with this one and I would like to link internally, for example, I don't know, to that open sheet here, right? So what you want to do is navigate to your first sheet, left click into the cell to select it, and then right click, and then hover mouse over insert link, click into it. Then you may add a text, like for example, I don't know, text here or something like that. And after that, you may paste a link. Now, of course, you can link to another document by using the URL address. You can do that, of course, and apply it by clicking to this button. That is going to redirect you to a completely different document. But what if you'd like to link internally to another tab? You can do that as well using the same method. So right click into the cell, choose insert link, add the text here, right? And then guys, instead of clicking or entering the URL here, select sheets and named ranges. Then you may select the sheet from or the tab from that list here, or you can also select a range of cells, right? So navigate to the given tab, select the range of cells, right? Like this, you will see the selection here. Or you can, if you'd like to copy the entire or link the entire document, click into this field in the top left, then return to the other tab, click into OK, and that is going to link to the given sheet and to the selected range of cells. That's how it works, guys. So as you can see, that's the two internal links here. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.